Hello bच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे कलर्स नेम एंड अल्फाबेट्स। Let's start. ये है blue color and ये है yellow color. Let's put brown color. Next, green color. Okay, next I'm black color. And last, red color. Wow, let's start the video. Yellow, blue, brown, green, black and red. Yellow color. A for apple. A for apple. Blue color. B for ball. B for ball. Brown color. C for cat. C for cat. Pink color. D for dog. D for dog. Black color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Red color. F for fish. F for fish. Again yellow color. G for grapes. G for grapes. Brown color. H for hat. H for hat. Green color. I for ink. I for ink. Black color. J for jug. J for jug. Blue color. K for king. K for king. Brown color. L for line. L for line. Black color. M for mango. M for mango. Yellow color. N for nest. N for nest. Blue color. O for orange. Brown color. P for parrot. P for parrot. Red color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Black color. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Yellow color. S for sun. S for sun. Blue color. T for train. T for train. Brown color. U for uniform. U for uniform. Black color. V for van. V for van. Zinc color. W for watch. W for watch. Orange X. X for X-ray. Blue color Y. Y for yak. Y for yet. Black color Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.